by saying, don't buy gold, but earn it. Gold do akoina lairoi se ko earn tawraga hotnaraga aduna purak.
Mayam krumjari adumni yengri physical channel POTHAMINASI KHANGMINASI channel asina ngasi puduna laksei ba topic asi hojikta aina mayam da video matiam onjakiba mayam na thoida hinana khanarba tarula world champion orba MC Mary Kom boxing masana sida almadi hanaki Olympic sida mamangi Olympic na bronze medal aduga hanaki Olympic saru yakibi aduga hoji hojingna Rajya Sabha gi MP su orbi honorable MP Mary Kom mahaki tungda hogalaiba sanaroi singda piba asobo message sama miyam da kutol tamjagi magi motivation gi oiba speech sama miyam da kutol tamjagi amutang yengminara ke koi ta kari loksi lobu yabagi haibedo miyang taminasi khangminasi ko
Kumari Sushila Ligava weightlifting Kumari Saikomira hockey gi Ukrambam Sushila Chandu amadi Nilakanta Samadu felicitato
Mathanga hockey gi Kumari Ukrambam Sushila Chandu
Nilakanta, he has been given the post of Deputy Director, and Ukrambam Sushila Devi, for her outstanding performance, she has been given the post of Assistant Director. Please give a big hand for both of them.
Mayambu Kurumjari, Chief Guest of this function was and Biren Singh, Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, Oza Pralab Singh Patel, Honorable Minister of State for the Minister of Jal Shakti, Oza Led Pau Hauki, Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports, Oza Y. Joy Kumar Singh, Deputy CM of Manipur, Oza T.H. Radheshyam Singh, MLA and President of Manipur Olympic Association, Oza Kanendro Ningombam, President Hockey India, and Dr. S. Santikumar Singh, General Secretary, Gymnastic Federations of India, former Olympians, and my fellow Olympians and all other invitees, officials, parents, my dear friends present here today. First of all, I would like to congratulate my dear sister, Mirabai Chanu, winning silver medal for all of us at the recent Tokyo Olympic 2020. She has made us, all of us, proud with her achievement. Congratulations, Brother Nilakanta Sharma, on winning bronze medal for our country. And not to forget Susila Lingawam and Pukram Susila Chanu, because I know what it takes to reach the Olympics. Well, I really work hard to win a medal for our country, this time at the Tokyo Olympic, but it could not happen. Very sorry about for that. Mayam nang ngakpigani haibdo ay thajay. Kanadi hona jabne ay su atay aygi ichan sing inaw sing su mayam kanadi hona jabne adubu handak laurok pangam dargasu mathangda aina thajabadi aigi inaw sing si soidanamaki Olympic da moisu medal laurok pang ngamgani haibasi aigi asa thamjai aduga noi pukning handhaganu aidi warimada because of age limit maybe you could not able to represent or participate till 40 ages phawba khakta sanaba yabrena I haibangamde, but I guarantee you that two of our sister Susila animak Susila ne I see marag ta kana maming dem sisu Susila I do confused amuk challe bako moina yumna kaktane kanota moina soitana medal laurak kani haibse ai asane mayam government state ki asane noi angang oiri pungning handaganu ai haininge kanna honaraga launingai gi amuka energetic lai hello haibse ai thamjaninge. But I'm proud of my fellows Olympians who have brought us a joy to our country. I want to thank Oza and Biren Singh, Honorable Chief Minister, and his cabinet for this glorious honor given to us. I personally thank our Department of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of Manipur for a grand felicitation program. Let me repeat, all this effort and initiative will not go in vain. But I promise to promote sports and bring more Olympic medalists in the near future. Let me end by saying, don't buy gold, but earn it. Gold do akoy na layroi se ko earn tawraga hotnaraga aduna purakpado oisunu habisi loisaraga aigi speech loisalage. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your inspiring work. We will forever